wells on standby to help cover our area. And 901 Central, how about you put Eastwood on this call with us as well? Camera, sir. I will turn him out, sir.
Quicker to go 53 all the way out, or out newer?
That says 53. County and see if we see smoke. This app doesn't. I'm thinking, because if Steven went.
Well, technically Ritchie County isn't until after 53, right?
Yeah, Ritchie County. We do go into Ritchie County on 53 at some point.
But I mean, as far as the work counter, 47.
Central Ward 3, can you give me a public service, please? When they've not notified us of two separate fires, just the ones that you dispatched before. Give the dispatcher the opportunity to listen to your request.
Okay. We then put our wells on standby for our station. So if there is structure involved, we can work this call. Tower, 1338.
4-3 Central, do you have traffic? 10-4, it'll be a bit. I'm not even a reedy yet, in between Spencer and Elizabeth. As soon as I get in the service, about 20 minutes or so, I can give you public service.
Hopefully it's just a fucking barn and not a goddamn house.
We're not sure what structure yet. We're trying to identify that.
Ward 3 Central, your traffic was extremely low.
Affirmative, 2684 Fish Hatchery Road. 2684 Fish Hatchery Road, needing assistance with a canine.
Enforce, that's just an animal complaint.
Affirmative.
The only Oxford Road I picked up in Ritchie County was on the other side of North Bend. So that's not a good start for this.
You know, I would just ask Steven east or west of 53.
Pressure 96, 901. Yes, sir. We took 53. We're going to take it 47. I'm assuming we'll just see a big plume of smoke. But how far out would you say it is from turning on to 47?
Okay. From there, 47 forward. You're going to come off another hill. As soon as you get bottom of another hill, you're going to see further left. It should be Oxbow, what is what it's labeled as. We're going to try to save a structure here real quick, Bubby.
Completely broken, sir. Central, maybe if you can can start looking up on the address book there. Maybe you can give us a better relay.
4396.
Go ahead, sir.
It's only going to be less, about 2.5 miles after you turn on the 47 from 53. And it's going to be your first road on the left as soon as you're on 47.
That's it, sir. Thank you.
You're going right or left?
We'll go
I'd say right.
Right.
Yeah, because you got to go up over there.